All right, so are you guys there now? All right, so sorry for that. I wasn't able to monitor the time since, as you guys may already know, Zoom meeting or non-premium Zoom is only limited for 40 minutes. Okay, that's the maximum time limit. So yeah, that's why we have part one, part two, and part three. But for today, of course, we're only going to have part one and part two. So no more part three since we are done when it comes to overview. And then with this part two that we have right now, so allow me to introduce myself. So if you guys would like to learn about me, so you can just visit this one, instructor's profile. So this one is not enough. So as you guys can see, my name is Daniel Paul S. Saavedra. So since this one is quite weird, you can just call me Sir Paul or Sir Saavedra, or you just Sir. Okay. And of course, I graduated as a computer engineering in UC also. And then you can email me here, bsaavedra@uc-bcf.edu.ph. And then here's the office telephone number. So this is the telephone number of the UC SEA, okay, not my telephone number, okay. If you want to contact me, okay, so yeah, where you gonna put my contact number, right? So I'll just put here the contact number. So this is just in case you guys do not have an internet, okay, and then of course the other way for you guys to let me know that you guys don't have an internet, so here, so you can text me, okay. I'm not sure if you guys can call me because I don't really uh, answer some unsaved number on my phones, but you can always message me, okay. So of course you have to introduce yourself, what subject, and then your concern, etc., etc. Okay, and then the office hours of the UCSEA is 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So in my case, my office hours is 7 to 7, okay? Or let's say 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, so that's my uh, office hours. So I can answer any concerns that you have during that time. Okay, except uh, 12 a.m. up to 6 a.m. Okay, because at that time, of course, I also sleep. Okay, I'm, I'm also a person. Okay, a human being who needs to sleep. Okay, so there's a small information about your instructor. So I am a computer engineering instructor at the University of Chicago. So, uh, yeah, no more, no less. And then educational attainment. So as of now, I am only a BS major graduate. So I'm currently working with my master's. Hopefully, I'll get accepted in my scholarship. So by this June, I'll be having my master's starting this year. Okay, hopefully. And then my areas of interest is web developing, Android developing, robotics, Internet of Things, and then machine learning. So actually, we can add here data analytics and what is that one? Python programming because I'm into Python right now. Right. And yeah. And then I currently base here. I'm currently living here in Baguio City right now. Okay. Specifically in T. Alonzo. So if you guys might see me in streets, so in T. Alonzo, so maybe that's me. Right. What else? And I'm 25 years old. No, 24. Okay, not yet. Okay, so I'll be having my birthday soon. So not yet 25, so 24 for now. Right? So what else that you guys would like to know or learn about me? Any curious questions so far? Do you guys have a question so far regarding with your instructor? So this is now your chance to learn about your instructor. None? Hello guys? Can you guys still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I guess if you guys do not have a question anymore, then yeah, that's it for the overview of your syllabus and then module one uh, topics. All right. Yeah. Okay. So if you guys do not have a question anymore or clarification, so you guys may now go and then start reading this PDF and then start watching this video. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too. So see you guys next meeting.